Tired of the same old supplements? Looking for a natural way to boost your health? Look no further than fenugreek, a humble herb with extraordinary benefits. Fenugreek, a plant native to the Mediterranean, Europe, and Asia regions, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its seeds and leaves are packed with essential nutrients like fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Fenugreek has been shown to increase testosterone levels, leading to improved muscle mass, strength, and libido. It can help boost sexual desire and performance by increasing sperm count and motility. Fenugreek can help regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate menopausal symptoms. It may also help improve blood sugar control, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes. The appropriate dosage of fenugreek can vary depending on individual needs and health conditions. Generally, a daily dose of 500 to 1,000 milligrams of fenugreek seed extract is considered safe and effective. While fenugreek is generally safe, it may cause side effects in some individuals, such as digestive upset, diarrhea, and allergic reactions. It's important to start with a low dose and gradually increase it to minimize side effects. Fenugreek, a versatile herb with a wide range of benefits, offers a natural approach to improving your overall health and well-being. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if fenugreek is right for you. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video.